friends, welcome back to the channel, The Student's Diary. Hope you all are fine. So today we have something new topic to discuss with. Today's topic is verbs and kinds. You know how many kinds of verbs are there? Yeah, there are two kinds of verbs. One is being verb and another is having verb. So before learning or before coming to the being and having, let us remind ourselves about the verb. What is a verb? Verb is an action word. It is a word that is showing some action in the sentence. For example, now I am speaking to you. What am I doing? I am speaking. So speaking is an activity. It is an action that I am doing now. Therefore, verb is an action word in short. Now let us learn what is a being verb. So being verbs are am, is, are, was and were. Just remember how these verbs are used in sentence. Do you remember? Yeah. So these verbs are used in sentence in order to state some state of being. It indicates the state of being. What you are. What is your position. Understand what you are. For example, we say that I am a student. I am a student. That means it is stating it is pointing out or it is denoting my state of being. What I am. I am what? I am a student. He is a doctor. So here is the verb is denoting. It is pointing out the state of that man. What that man is. So thus we have am, is, are, was and were. Understand? So was and were we use with the past. So you can say that I was a child. So when I was a child, I walked like you, or I fell down while walking. So when I was a child, so the verb was is used here with the past. It is denoting, it is telling us about the state of your being in the past. So these two, was and were, these two denote, they tell us the state of being of an animal or of a human being in the past. What he was. So that state of being, these two verbs is showing. Now let us come to the having verb. What is this having verb? Having verbs are, they denote some possession. They are telling us about some possessions. Understand? For example, has, have and have. These three verbs are called having verbs because we use these three verbs in order to state in sentence some possessions. For example, I have a marker. So here I have what? A marker. So here have is stating what? About possession. That this marker is belong to me. It belongs to me because I am its owner. It is showing the possession. I have, he has and had. So thus these two are used with the present tense and it is used with the past. Had is used with past in the sense of having. Has and have are used with the present in the sense of having or possessing. Now clear? For example, thus we say that they have a car. That means they are possessing a car. They have. Now this sentence is stating the having of a car with them. It is stating the having of a car with them. Therefore, has, have and had are the having verbs which are stating our possessions, our havings, our belongings, and had is used with the past. So with that we conclude our class. If you have any doubt, please comment us and we will clarify to it. And after that, keep smiling, watch our channel till the end and subscribe it. So thank you.